Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into the latest Power BI updates for April 2025. While this month's release is a bit lighter, there are still some noteworthy announcements to explore. Let's get started. Let me open the blog post first. And here you can see the contents. This month we have some updates on Q&A setup in general section. In Copilot and AI section also we have some updates. We have some updates on reporting section, modeling section, data connectivity section, and they have added some new visuals. So let's discuss all the features one by one. First, we will start with general updates. Backward compatibility alert. With the April 2025 release, Microsoft has introduced a version upgrade to the linguistic schema used in the Q&A setup tool. This means that if you modify any elements like synonyms, phrasing, or suggested questions after installing this update, your PBIX file will no longer be compatible with older versions of Power BI Desktop. Be sure to inform your team to avoid version conflicts. Now, let's come to Copilot and AI section. Ad hoc calculations in read mode. Users can now perform ad hoc calculations directly in the read mode, enhancing interactivity without switching to edit mode. Now let's move to the reporting section. Reporting sees some user-friendly updates this month. File Picker by default in Power BI Desktop. The file picker is now enabled by default, streamlining the process of opening and saving files. Mobile layout auto create now generally available. Power BI now automatically generates mobile optimized layout for your reports, enhancing a seamless experience across devices. Now let's move to modeling enhancement. Live edit in direct leg mode. This is a preview features. Semantic models can now be edited live in direct leg mode with Power BI Desktop, offering a more dynamic modeling experience. Semantic model changes with TMDL view. This is still a preview features. The new tabular model definition language view introduce a scripting interface for semantic models, providing greater control and flexibility. If you want to learn more about TMDL view, we have a separate video for the same. You will find the link from here and you can implement the same inside your semantic model. So this month in TMDL view, they have added the preview button. After incorporated the necessary changes in the TMDL view, you can click on preview button, and if you click on preview button, it will highlight all the changes in green and reds so that you can review those before applying them into your semantic model. This is a very handy features to quickly update multiple components inside the semantic model. Let me move to the blog post again. Azure Map received some notable updates this month. Auto zoom with reference layer. Auto zoom now includes reference layer, enhancing map readability. New Azure Map tenant settings are on the horizon, promising more customization options. Now let's move to the data connectivity section. Data connectivity sees several improvements this month. Vertica ODBC driver. Users can now connect to Vertica databases using the official ODBC driver expanding data source options. Oracle built-in driver. This is also a preview features. A new built-in driver allows seamless connection to Oracle databases. Earlier, to connect with the Oracle database, we need to install some third-party tools. Now, in Power BI, we have Oracle built-in driver. Snowflake connector updates. The Snowflake connector has been updated with performance enhancement and bug fixings. This month, they have added some visualization updates as well. If you are interested on these updates, you can follow their blog post. That wraps up our Power BI April 2025 feature summary. If you have questions or thoughts, drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.